Good morning, guys! Eto, nagkakape na ako. Kakaalis lang ng aking mga bagets. Going to school. Flex ko lang tong aking manicure table. Dumating siya yesterday and my partner, he assembled it for me. And then now I'm trying to organize all my stuff because this one is really good. There's an organizer cabinet. And as you can see, I put usually I'm starting doing nails on top of everything, and this will be my cleaning tools like Fisher or something. And this will be my gel and prime and oil and alcohol, and this will be my different brush. If someone wants something art on their nails. And these are all my polishes. Because I'm doing it at home, I just have few colors. It depends if my client will request something special color that they like. I'm so excited, guys. It's Tuesday. I know I'm going back to work tonight, but I'm still excited to set this up and get ready. And these are all my different files. And there's a key so kids won't play with it. As you can see, it's not done. I'm still organizing them. Hopefully later today I will be done. I'll see you later, guys. Have a good day.